So I'm axing out a salad server set. Here's one all axed out. Let's do another. Just gonna cut these two sides like this, you see. Okay. Let's do some axing. Now the stop cuts. One. This particular design has a very tight curve here, so this is a hard part. Okay, that's the salad server, and we just clean it this tight curve with a knife. It's easier and faster, especially when you're tired like I am now, because it's late in the afternoon and I've been working all day. There's less chance of messing everything up. Okay, this is a bit too thick, so just gonna remove some more wood here. And that's it, another server. So these make a set, salad servers. I'll carve them back at home.